Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be cooking something that my mom has cooked for me for over 40 years, and it's one of my favorite dish. I call it sauteed cucumbers. There's really no name for it. I believe she just whipped this together with whatever she has in the refrigerator, and it's became one of my favorite dish that she makes whenever she's out here visiting us. So I'm going to show you this dish. What you need is cucumbers, onions, garlic, salt, and pepper. And in here in my sous vide, I'm just cooking my pork because I don't like to fry it in oil. So I'm just cooking my pork right now while I'm going to start prepping the remaining ingredients. Alrighty, so I got everything prepped up. This is the cucumbers cut into small cubes, just like the onions, and my pork. You could use ground pork or ground turkey. I happen to have like a little bit of pork butt or pork belly. I think this is pork butt right here, and I cut it in small thin slices right here. About a pound or even half a pound. So again, cucumbers, onions, and pork, garlic, salt, and pepper. Let's whip this together. All right, so I preheated the pan. You want to just move this around so you oil up the entire wok or pan, whichever you like to use. And what I'm going to do right now is briefly fry my pork for 1 minute. It's already pre-cooked. Now I'm going to add my garlic. 1 clove is good. I like my food garlicky. Once that's done, add your onions and start sauteing together. So pretty much it's cooked, and you're just going to add the cucumbers. Now keep in mind, cucumbers, you eat it raw. So you only put it in here for a little amount of time. You add the cucumbers. Kind of squish like that, and you want to lower it down the temperature because the cucumber is going to create juice. It's natural juice. Add a little bit of salt. Add a little bit of pepper. All right. This is all done. As you can see, there's good juices, natural juices that came out of it, the cucumber, and you're ready to serve this. Just start plating.